Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a flower delivery service and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you've definitely come to the right place today. So keep watching this video. So I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a simple website for your flower delivery service. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days and no credit card details are needed. So make sure you sign up for that free trial by clicking on the link below. Once you join the platform, sign up, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from, currently over 900, and we are adding more markets every single week for various small businesses. So I'm going to head to the top and search for my market flower delivery service. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great, let's start MultiSites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your city and your state or region as well as your company name or your business name. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is located or operating from, you can enjoy the MultiSites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you've clicked on continue, MultiSites will automatically generate a simple website for your business. And there you have it. It's literally done so. Over here, we have a short tutorial that you can quickly scroll through and see the various changes you can make. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do them. So go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and click off this for now. The beauty of MultiSites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're visually very stunning, they're high quality, and they're completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some beautiful images of some of the flowers that you are delivering to customers. Maybe you want to make one or two amendments to this content, make a little bit more personalized to your business. You can absolutely do that. You don't need to know any website coding or hire a professional. You can literally do this all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers to see. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Phone number, click to call. And our address, our physical location, maybe you only are a delivery service, you don't have a physical location, so you can leave this off. But if you do want to put in an address, you can do so. And when your website's live, your customers can click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. And update social links so you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. The icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section, upload it. Once you've uploaded it, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on that little pencil. Otherwise, click on save. Over here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now with MultiSites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them, you don't need to know color coding. Click on that paint bucket bottom right hand corner. Go through the various color palettes that are available for you to use. There's plenty to choose from. For each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update images. This is where you could upload your own images or search through that photo library. There's hundreds of images to choose from, as I said, all completely free to use. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button. If you have a profile, automatically pull in all those images. Under update action, we can amend all those buttons, the call to action buttons, the text on them, and where they're linked to. You can even link to another website or upload a PDF file, maybe with more information on your rates and services. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. Customers can easily reach out to you here. Keep track of all your leads in your Marti dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on that yellow button at the bottom to connect it. You do have an option to do so. If you don't have a custom domain, we really recommend you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your competitors in the community. Click on that button as well. You actually have the option to purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. Awesome. I really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your flower delivery service on the MultiSites platform. And I'm really wishing you and your business, Marti, success.